What is going on, y'all? Welcome to day 5 of the 4,000 calorie 21 day challenge. I finally got my ketone meter to work, so I'm going to test my blood ketones before I have a meal. I have not worked out today, and I did not sleep a wink last night. Let's see what we're looking like. Countdown has started there. All right, here we go. 1.4 on the ketones. And let's see what we're doing with the blood sugar. Still bleeding. Countdown has commenced here. 2, 1, 0. 82 on the blood sugar. So 1.4 on the ketones, 82 on the blood sugar. That's what my fasting numbers are. I had a coffee with heavy cream this morning, but that's it. I'm about to eat my first meal, which is going to consist of a full keto brick, and I was kind of running late at the door, so I got a big old sausage link, and that's what I'm going to have for today's lunch. So I'll see you in the break room. All right, y'all. Almost done with my keto brick. I'm going to eat the whole package of German sausage. That's going to be about 1,100 calories right there, plus the brick, which is 1,000. So that is meal one. I'm going to put some Cholula on there and some Dijon mustard. Bryson's having some of this right here. Dinty Moore chicken and dumplings. What are the macros on Bryson's meal? Total carbs, 24 per serving, times 2.5. We're trying to get big and strong like Josiah over there with them bananas. Woo! What is going on, y'all? I've got before me a Ginger Mule. This is a hard ketones drink, ethanol-free alcohol, 6% R13 BD, 0 carbs, 75 calories, 0% ethanol. Basically, the exogenous ketone company. Let me get the. Hold it. All right. So, the exogenous ketone company, Ketones, which this is their exogenous ketones, they sent me, I feel like I've been vlogging a lot about exogenous ketones lately, but they sent me this, which is just simply a ketone ester. Haven't had that one yet. But they also sent me this, so they've got a sub-brand, which is called Hard Ketones. They've sent me like a spiked seltzer. They sent me another one, I can't remember it, and then this one is the Ginger Mule flavor. Basically, the ingredients are carbonated water, R13 butanediol, 12.5 grams, which is an ethanol-free alcohol, less than 1% of monk fruit, ginger flavor, organic apple cider vinegar, L-malic acid, citric acid, ascorbic acid, natural flavors, salt, and potassium sorbate. Now, it says, 21 and over only, don't exceed 3 cans a day, not for pregnant women, do not drive if intoxicated, not recommended for sports. So it has all this stuff for what you would see on alcohol, but there is no ethanol. So from what I've learned and gathered, if I'm correct in this, is basically this is a ketone molecule, and when it's metabolized by the body, it basically has a similar effect to ethanol when metabolized by the body, except rather than increasing your blood alcohol concentration, it increases your beta hydroxybutyrate blood ketone concentration. So I'm going to drink 3 of these. I've had one of these, but I don't really feel any different after one. So I'm going to try and drink 3 of these in a very short window of time. It is currently 2:20. I've got a call with Danny and Adam at 3. I'm going to try and drink 3 of them in the 40 minutes before that call, and then I'm going to test my ketone levels, and then I'm going to see if I feel any different. So, bottoms up. Here we go. 75 calories per once. This will help a little bit towards my 4,000 calories. It tastes, I don't really know what a Moscow Mule tastes like, but I would imagine it would taste something like that. So, kind of refreshing, pretty good. Definitely drink it cold. It's been in the fridge. So I'll check back in with y'all after the 3rd drink. All right, y'all. While I'm drinking this stuff, waiting for my call to start, let me show you around. We got some improvements made to the building here. Boom, look at that. That's where a foot went through our wall. We had some kicking action going on with the bag. Missed the bag, boom, hit the wall. That's good old Josiah's handiwork, but I tell you what, he did a pretty good job patching that up. You'll never even know the difference when it's done. Also, in other news, our walk-in cooler went out on us, so I had to pay $3 grand to have that fixed, which was kind of a headache, but we got the walk-in cooler functioning now, so we are good to go. It feels much better to have all that space back in the freezer. So, let's check out our brick inventory real quick. Boom. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Bricks on bricks on bricks. I put a questionnaire in the newsletter, but we've been putting these cold packs in the bricks. So hopefully that's helping with the cold or the hot weather shipping. So Danny, you're live, man. Say something.
What's up, man? I love the new hoodies. I'm excited for them.
New hoodies, new hoodies. Good seeing that beard of yours, man. What about you, Adam? Where you at, bro?
I'm at the Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm like 3 hours away from Robert Sykesville, Arkansas. So you never know. I might pop down to see my nephew, Rigel. Mr. Rigel, where's he at? Is he doing like some push-ups or something right now? Is he maxing out yet?
Deadlifts? Yeah, he's doing some deadlifts as we speak. So, all right, I'm gonna get this camera out of here, but I had to let y'all know what's up. All right, y'all. It's 4:12 now, so I had the third drink while I was on the call with Danny and Adam, and I'm gonna test my ketones now. I honestly do not feel a buzz, really. I'm not really sure if that's the intention of the drink, but I do not feel a buzz. So let's check my ketones and see what they're at. I didn't do a preliminary test. I did before I ate lunch, but obviously that's gonna skew things. So we'll see if my ketones are above the typical baseline now after having 3 of those hard ketone Moscow Mule things. Alright, here we go. Countdown. .2. So pretty solid reading. Again, I don't know what it would have been had I tested before or after lunch rather, but can't go wrong with 2.0. So that's all I gotta say about that. Don't feel a buzz, but they are pretty tasty. So if you want one of those hard ketones for an elevation in blood ketones, go for it, I reckon. I'm gonna work on some clients, head home, and then help Crystal.
What's going on, you guys? All right, I'm looking like a hot mess today. It has been a kind of crazy day for me, but just finished making Robert's food, and I'll tell you guys exactly what it is. So I really enjoy these chicken patties. I get them from either Whole Foods or Natural Grocers. It's the Tribali Foods. They're chicken patty. These ones are Chipotle, and they're usually in the freezer section. These are super clean, no like added grossness. It's all real whole ingredients in there. And then I melted cheese on top, and I put 2 fried eggs on each of those. And then he has a side of, I'll just show you guys. So there's a patty underneath of here. Then there's 3 ounces of cheese altogether between the 2 of those. 4 eggs fried, and then this is a half a cup of macadamia nuts. So that should be his topper for macros today. He is gonna dig in, but for now, this is what he's doing. Sleeping away with this little munchkin over here. While I just slave away.
Yeah.
All right.